LOL!
What's up, guys? So, what you may be wondering, how does his voice sound high quality? Because I got my new mic today. It's really awesome. Here, let me show you. Look at that. It's got a red mic covering and everything. So, I'm using that this microphone for today. Oh yeah. Now, while I was at the store, I found some. Now, I was looking for something to have for breakfast. Because it was breakfast. I went to the store and I found this thing which I'd never seen before. Chocolate peanut butter puffs. Corn puffs. Hey guys, I just want to pause the video right there. I know it's pronounced corn pops, but for some reason in this entire video, I pronounce it corn puffs. I know some of you are already calling me an idiot in the comment section below, but if you could just pretend each time I say corn puffs, I'm actually saying corn pops, that would be great. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Now, this is going to be like the Kit Kat birthday cake thing that I did. Everybody knows they got that favorite candy bar, like Kit Kat. Everybody's got their favorite cereal. Mine is Reese's Puffs. And, you know, lots of other people like Cookie Crisp, Fruity Pebbles, Captain Crunch, all these different things. I also like Captain Crunch and Fruity Pebbles. And lots of people like Corn Pops. Corn Pops. So I found this at the store. Now, I really like Corn Pops, but I've never tried chocolate peanut butter Corn Pops. Now, before we get started with this video, I realized I couldn't do this video alone because this is such a weird thing I found. I don't even know how I'm going to do it alone. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my brother, Walker Kent, or as you may know him as, the real Texas Ranger. How's it going?
Good.
You ready to eat some cereal? Okay, let's get our bowls.
A few moments later.
Okay, let me just open the stupid thing. Okay, we got it open. What are you doing? Okay, so we're almost, we're gonna put that in. Let me just show you a piece right now. So this is what a piece looks like. You can't really see because I don't know why this isn't working. He's being kind of an idiot today. So, you gotta stop. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we got the milk. Put the milk in. Oh yeah, sound. Okay, so we're about ready. Got our spoons. Let's give it a taste test. In 3, 2, 1. Show them the spoon. Like, it tastes like Reese's Puffs, but the aftertaste tastes like Corn Puffs. Like, it's weird. What do you think, man? Say puff. What do you think of that, though? Tell me, what did you think of the cereal? Good. like, you can't, like, what did it taste like?
Tastes like peanut butter.
Yeah. It tastes like Reese's Puffs. The aftertaste tastes like Cold Puffs. Weird. Well, really tastes like how you'd expect it to taste. So, yeah. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably rank this a 7. Like, it's not bad. It's not terrible. But it's not perfect. It's good, but it's not perfect. What would you rank it? On a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being the worst and 10 being the best, what would you rank this? You rank it an 8?
No, 10.
A perfect 10? Boy, look at this boy. He says that this is a perfect 10. He's obviously never tried Dr. Pepper.
Yes, I did.
Okay. So. That was our fruit test. Really? Just like how you expected. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out Walker's. Go check out Walker's channel, Real Texas Ranger. Link will be in the description. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and join the Potato Army. And sit up. Get in frame. Thank you. That's enough. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check him out. Link will be in the description. And see you guys in the next video. To Sowie.